step we take, every road we choose, learning lessons, growing like a rose. Through laughter and tears, we find our way, pursuing dreams, reaching for the day. From the peaks of joy to the depths of night, we find strength in shadows, we shine so bright. Each challenge faced, each victory won, building paths where we once felt none. Life's journey's sweet, life's journey's true. With every step we break through, from pain to gain, from fear to love. Life's journey's ours, no need to move. In the quiet moments we hear the call to embrace life, to live it all. With open hearts we walk this path, finding joy, making it our right. Through storms and sunshine we find our way, learning, growing every single day. In every moment there's a lesson to learn. In life's journey we're never too stern. From the darkest nights to the brightest days, we find hope, we find our ways. With every breath we find our voice. In life's journey we find our choice. Life's journey's sweet, life's journey's true. With every step we break through, from pain to gain, sincere to love. Life's journey's ours, no need to move.